Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a front drive shaft bearing on your Troy-Bilt lawnmower, you will need a 9/16" socket and a 3/8" socket. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. We also recommend there be little or no fuel in the tank. For safety, detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Now tip the lawnmower back and use a weight to hold the handle assembly down. Since we recommend replacing both drive shaft bearings at the same time, use the 9/16" socket to unthread the nuts, securing both front wheels. Remove the wheels. Slide off the 2 drive gears, along with the wheel guards. Now use the 3/8" socket to unthread the 7 lower screws, securing the front transmission cover. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the cover. Pull the wheel adjustment lever outward so you can fully detach the cover. You can now remove the 2 old drive shaft bearings. To install the new drive shaft bearings, slide them onto the axle and fully insert them into the axle plates. Make sure the bearings are positioned in the notches in the transmission support. Hold the axle assembly in place as you reposition the front transmission cover by first inserting the tab under the belt slot in the deck. Make sure the drive cable is positioned in the notch in the cover. Pull the wheel adjustment lever outward to properly align the front of the cover. Replace the 9 screws to secure the cover, starting with the lower middle screw. Reposition the wheel guards, followed by the 2 drive gears. Align the 2 front wheels and thread the nuts to secure them. Remove the weight and return the lawnmower to its upright position. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the spark plug. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your lawnmower should be ready for use.